call a supply over here. You guys need it. You motherfuckers are dead!
Every single one of us.
The box is down. I'm gonna try to push for the objective. What was that? They're on the mountain?
Yep.
What the fuck are we supposed to do with that?
I don't know. Look at that. Look at that.
Throw a 500 at it so you can knock it off the
one on
mountain.
the roof? Or the cliff?
Yep.
I got it.
Yep.
Boom! You see that shot?
Shit, I'm gonna bleed out. Oh no. That's good.
No, you're not! Oh, is that what I think it is?
The rumblings. Oh yeah.
Oh, here we
On
go.
my ping.
There it is, yep.
Nope. Oh, here we go.
Alright, shoot at that thing, you are the
Lower one.
The lowest, got it.
Launched me.
I got fucking uppercutted. It's a wrap.
Launched me.
It's
I'm in
a
the
wrap.
air. Yeah, I'm dead.
I'm still flying.
Oh, I brought in the wrong stratagem.
I'm stuck on the flag.
Brought the laser cannon instead of the quasar.
I'm stuck in the flag.
Oh no, can you dive out?
Nope. I'm stuck in the prone position. They're trying to hit me like a fucking piñata.
to kill you.
Can you shoot the flag? Oh,
Never mind, I got you, bro. I got you.
you see the skill?
Nice shot, somebody.
Ow! No, that kind of looks a little close, huh?
Oh god.
They dropped that
they just
motherfucker
dropped
right
Strider
on
on
top of us.
Oh, I got eliminated. Throw me into the base.
I'm arming a hell bomb. I armed a hell bomb by the Strider factory. Come on! Oh god!
There's another one. There's another one behind it.
For old time's sake.
Okay.